Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get the folder ID in Google Drive. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store of course, and download the Google Drive application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Google Drive if you do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have, of course, the three dots where we have the recent, offline, spam, bin, and the settings option. Also in the bottom, we have the home, start, shared, and filed options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and navigate to the folder ID in Google Drive. Well, to get the ID of the Google Drive. First of all, navigate to the folder in Google Drive and copy the folder ID found in the URL. This is everything that comes after folder slash. So everything that starts after folder slash, you need to copy that. For example, if the URL was HTTPC, etc., you know how they look, and has everything after folder slash is actually the ID. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.